Thank you for watching Uipath Start Today. In this StudioX tutorial series, you can learn how to use newly launched intuitive tool for beginners and business users. Today's subject is how to install and how to use StudioX. Alright, let's get started. Here's agenda. Firstly, step-by-step installation procedure, and then how to use StudioX development tool. Finally, general automation flow. By the way, the contents are created for Studio version 2020.2 beta. Since the upgrade is so frequent, please be noted that you may have slight difference depending on the version you use. Firstly, step-by-step installation. Search by keyword Uipath trial license on website. Then click the official website. Choose Community Cloud license on the left below for your trial usage. To create your account, you have 4 options to sign up, like Google account, email, and so forth. This time, I'm gonna sign up with Google. Once you fill out all necessary information, click Continue to proceed. Next, download Studio Community Preview. You can change displaying language if you need. Open downloaded exe file. If you are asked for license type, choose Community License. Then you click StudioX Previews. Finally, installation complete. Secondly, how to use StudioX. In this section, you can understand the general outline to create RPA. You firstly need to create blank project, so let's start with blank project on your right side. Then, put process name for this project and simply click Create button. You don't need to change other information. Default settings are fine. You successfully created new project and now you are ready to start building automation. This is the StudioX user interface. The UI is composed by 4 parts. First, Activities panel. Second, Designer panel. Third, Properties panel. Finally, Ribbon. Let us understand each function and how to use them. First step is to find the suitable activity from Activities panel. It features a search box on top of the panel to help beginners to find proper activity. Let's say now you are going to automate Excel data manipulation. In this case, you can find Use Excel file activity to start with. After you find the activity, simply drag it to the center panel named Designer panel. Then you are going to find Next activity to specify your next action and drag and drop it. Once you put the activities, setting modification is needed. For example, you need to specify the file location inside of Use Excel file activity and also which data to append into the second one, append to CSV activity. Once you complete all settings, move to the ribbon above. Here you have Save and Run button to test current automation. If you have an error after testing, you can modify the settings of activity or even change the activity itself. This is the basic building flow. To understand how to build more correctly, let's deep dive into the activities. Here we have a closer look at Activities panel. You can find 4 cards in the upper side and so many actions below. Current version contains 81 actions totally, and these are going to upgrade. By the way, old version had 3 cards only, but Word file card is added from this version. Card is a concept newly applied from StudioX. This enables you to indicate target application easily without a mistake. If your targeting application is Excel file, firstly you need to put Excel file card. Then choose the proper action after that. Same for another applications. If you're gonna use Outlook Mail, you put the Outlook card first, then choose next action to program. If you're gonna use other applications like web pages or even files, folders, you firstly choose the top one, which is application browser card. And the actions enables you to add small actions to the workflow. StudioX prepares for selected actions for beginners to be dragged and dropped without coding. The last chapter is General Automation Flow. You can see general steps to build automation from scratch. Initially, review targeting process. These steps helps you to streamline your actions. Secondly, build automation using StudioX. Choose the activity and drag and drop, modify and testing. Let's start by using example process. Here I have sample process using Excel file and accounting system. The process is very simple. Firstly, open Excel file and copy data. Then open accounting system and input copied data to the system. Finally, click submit button. This is the targeting process. To create automation for this process, find proper activity from the Activities panel. To open Excel file as the initial action, choose Use Excel file card and drag it to the Designer panel. Same procedures for following actions. Select the proper action. Open System to input copied data. Type into it the proper activity. Then, to click Submit button, you can choose Click Activity. Once you finish placing all activities, modify settings. For example, specify targeting Excel file and data for Excel-related actions. Also, indicate targeting system, the text and the UI position to be input. Now you are ready to save it and test the process by the Run button. Alright, let's quickly recap the contents. Installation is super easy. No programming knowledge required. All steps are user-friendly by intuitive UI. So to sum up, you can start RPA today. In the next video, you will see mass new activities for beginners. I'm trying to create simple, easy, useful contents for non-programmers, hoping all of you enjoy RPA and your life. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss next video for you. See you soon. Bye.